Today in this quick video, I will walk you through a very important feature of new Outlook, which is customization action. So this customization action brings two features for you. First is quick action, second is sweep. So quick action allow you to manage your emails directly from the message list. This quick actions appears besides sender's name or subject line. So this quick action let you to delete, to mark as read, mark as unread, or flag your emails in just a simple click. You can also customize these quick action according to your need. And if you are using touch screen laptops or system, you can use sweep feature that will enable you to sweep to the left or to the right. Every direction will result something for your email, and you can also customize those action according to your requirement. So in this quick video, I will walk you through step by step method how you can customize this customize action, which is quick action or sweep, or how you can use smartly to work smarter in your work. So let's get started. So here I'm on my new Outlook, and when I select any of my email available in my inbox, these three options, which is just beside the sender's name, these options, see, mark as unread, second option is flag this message, and third is keep this message on the top of your folder. That means you can pin this message. So these are the customization action icons. So once when I click on this button mark as read, this email will automatically change its form to unread. So this way, by using these icons, you can very quickly react to these emails according to your requirement. But you will see only three options are available, but you can also customize these options, which I have already told you in my introduction. So all you have to do is to click on this gear symbol available on the top left corner of your screen, and that will take you to the setting dialog box. Here what you have to do is to click on the mail tab. You will see few options over here: layout, compose and reply. From the little bit bottom, you will see an option customize action. When you click on it, customize action options over here, two things: quick actions and sweep. These are two things which you can customize according to your requirement. So I will start with a quick action. So this is customize your most frequent use action. Quickly action appears beside sender's name and subject line in your message list, which I have already told you, these three icons. If you look closely, these four options are already selected: delete, pin, mark as read or unread, and flag. So there are two other options available, which is archive and move to folder. If I want to select these, I am unable to check it because too many actions selected. The maximum of 4 quick actions are supported at that time. So all you have to do is to uncheck one of them which are less useful for you. So I remove this flag and I select this move to folder. Some changes over here. So that way you can customize your quick actions. Now the next is sweep. Customize your sweep action when you use a touch screen to interact with emails with the message list. So that means if you are using the touch screen, you can simply sweep to the right and this delete will activate, and if you sweep to the left, this mark as read or unread will activate. So you can very easily change it according to your requirement. Say once I want to sweep to the right, I want this mark as read and unread, and when I sweep to left, it will delete my message. So you can customize this sweep option as well and simply hit save. So this way you can use customize actions according to your requirement. This is a beautiful feature and it will save around 1 to 2 hours of your time on the daily basis if you use or your Outlook frequently. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice